welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring structures that look completely impossible. Buildings and creations that make you question reality. How were they built? Why were they built? Before we begin, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because today's story is about human imagination pushed to its absolute limits. Throughout history, humans have built structures that seem to defy logic. Some hang on cliffs, some float above water, some twist in ways that look unreal. These structures are not just buildings. They are proof of creativity, engineering, and ambition. One of the most unbelievable structures is the Tiananmen Mountain Cliffside Hotel, built along a steep mountain wall in China. Parts of this structure appear to hang directly off the cliff. Visitors walk along narrow paths carved into the rock. Looking down reveals a massive drop. This design creates the illusion that the building is floating in midair. Another iconic structure is Capitol Gate. This skyscraper is known as the Leaning Tower of the Middle East. It tilts at an angle of 18 degrees. That's more than 4 times the lean of the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Despite its extreme angle, advanced engineering keeps it perfectly stable. In China, the Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge stretches across a deep canyon, suspended hundreds of meters above the ground. The floor is made entirely of glass. Walking across it feels like walking in the air. It's one of the most visually impossible bridges ever built. Some structures seem impossible not because of height, but because of how they were created. The ancient city of Petra was carved directly into rock cliffs. Entire buildings were sculpted from solid stone. Over 2,000 years ago, without modern tools, the precision and scale still amaze scientists today. The Habitat 67 in Canada looks like stacked boxes floating in the air. Each unit appears randomly placed, yet the entire structure is carefully engineered. It challenges traditional ideas of architecture and creates a futuristic, almost impossible look. In the Maldives, there are floating villas built directly over the ocean. Some modern projects are even exploring floating cities. These structures must deal with waves, currents, and weather, yet they remain stable. It feels like architecture breaking the rules of land itself. The most impossible structures on Earth are not just about design, they are about pushing boundaries. From Capitol Gate to Petra, they show what humans can achieve when imagination meets engineering. What looks impossible is often just the beginning of innovation.